Zviri Mudzimba. Zviri Mudzimba. Zviri Mudzimba.
Sorry, boy.
Ndichiri panapa nanhasi nemwanasiri wangu wauda kundichengetedza iwe.
Ulambe utinda kukuchengetesa. I'm not selfish, say okay. The only time I was gone, boom, you turned this house into a school.
So I needed the money.
I needed the money. I needed the money. That's what you're good at.
That's my rooms aside. I must say. Why I can't go anywhere now. Now listen here, Vanessa. These all my schemes are going there. My intentions are behind all this drama, but trust me, I'm tired of drama. Okay? Not to joke at I had no problem with that. Not to joke at I don't even care what you've been up to. Okay? I just want you to go out of my life, please.
It's not gonna call what you're gonna be as much as we might say. You might be superior, might be inferior, I know. But the only thing I ask from you, girl, is to find it in your heart. That's the only thing I want.
Don't do this, okay? Please don't do this.
But in as much as you want to say, good, I lied to you. No, I didn't lie. Of course, I hid something from you. Not because I wanted to. I was only a victim of my circumstances. I live with guilt all my life because I did this to you.
Well, is that all you have to say? This is not the right time to be doing this, okay? Please, Vanessa, please. Move on with your life. I have moved on with mine. I'm happy where I am.
That's why I'm here. I'm here to move on, Mabata.
Can you please move on somewhere else?
I don't have anywhere else.
Wow, where have you been?
I can't. I can't. I've been neglecting Mwana wangu, Tanya, for a long time. Where is she? You see? I don't even know kuti mwana wangu alikuenda kuchikoro. I'm sure wakatomuratidza munhu kuti ndiye amai vake.
Yes, I did. And also at boarding. You know what? Because you were gone. She needed her mother. And where were you? Nowhere to be found. That's something, Jody, you even if you have all the money, even you get my schemes, that's something you will not.
I don't need help. You're not crying. You're not crying. You're not crying. Stop crying, baby. Don't cry. See ya. Don't touch the baby. Batanya mwanangu anayarini. Abatanya, I miss my daughter. I want to shower with all the love she's been lacking. Okay, someone ndega ndimubate ndimuhage andiudze zvese zvimunetsa. You know, I know ndakakusira mutoro, but you can't tell me kuti wangochigeza mwana wanga uchitofeel as if everything was okay. Tanya is growing. Hello? Haven't you heard of fathers who raped their own kids? And worst of all, Tanya and a big body. I'd rather trust a stranger, but anyway, I know you in and out, Baba Tanya. I know you in and out. I don't trust you. Chikesa mwana wangu. Yeah. Aso what's in the wako? Oh, you saying kuti baby? And I will also change this to another kids just like I did nothing. No. This time I've been a bit helpful.
I'm not
going to do that.
You're under my roof. So technically I'm taking care of this baby who I don't even know who he belongs to or who she. Is it a he or a she?
Baba San, when the time comes, you shall know. Now you know the time. That is if the time comes. But for now.
The only thing that's stopping me is our therapist.
Yo, I was gonna go. My therapist. They want to change it to emotion. It was gonna be hard for me to come here in a mom cat. That you know very well. And I can't in a mom cat in the time. Sitting in on it, I take away. I do know.
Don't disrespect Linda like that. Ever. Oh
my God. Are we talking of respect now?
Don't disrespect her like that.
Oh. So what did you treat it like how? Oh my God! Oh my God! Pana papana my one. Pana papana my one. Pana papana my one. Good. She's only a therapist. She's here to do a job and go.
Oh, she tell it.
Yes.
Pana.
I said not that this is fun. This is my therapist. So I'll be your therapist.
Oh, for real.
Can I chida utanga nasi ndinda therapist wako. We do the therapy our jaira zibaki. Ndo ya unoda.
Pamba pana.
Hapana zvokutaura. Ndatopedza newe zvokuti tinomusikana basa kana kuti as long as I'm working ndichishandira iwewe kana ukati ndiri chikorobho chepana I don't care. As long as I still hold the title my Tanya. I still have a say in this house. But if you want to persist without a special treatment with my therapist, she's only a therapist. She's here to do a job and she's gone. I'm here and I'm here to stay.
Okay. We see.
Yes. I have a title to claim and I have a title to maintain.
Okay.
Yes. I hope you're aware of that term. It's big. We are not talking of one side, it's two-sided.
Okay.
Yes.
A piece of advice. Yeah, a little piece of advice.
How can I? Uri baba mwana wangu ka. But you know that you are the father of my daughter. I'm going nowhere. I'm here to stay. Bed for you.
You have no respect for me, auntie. When did I become your therapist? Nasin the therapist, mangana Thomas can be bas.
Papa and I told you I miss a popot. Before I come on, I'm not sure that you very violent.
Mangi taito pedran, kana masawaji taito sama pickets and a test. Yeah, it take a winch to make it pickets. Let him operate.
usatedzere zvinoita vamwe vanhu vese zvekupenga izvo iwewe nini kusvika rufu atiparadzanisa ndizvo. You have to fight for what's yours. Usasiye munhu achikudistracta mupfungwa ndizvo.
Kana ndichizenda pese ndachawandira kupi.
Obviously akawandira kwauri. Ndonzvozvo. Uyo mukadzi uyoyo, she is my past. You are my present and you are my future. Okay?
Ichaizvenga muri kuita.
Ngibona.
Iwe ndinokutsvaira pamba pangu apa. Iwe shamwari dzemene ndomidzinenga unozviziva. Unozviziva. Itai zvamwana chiti. Itai zvamwana chiti. You don't come to disrespect me by my gate. Itai zvamwana chiti. Itai zvamwana chiti.
She thinks she can control me in my own house. I know wherever where she came from, and she thinks she can start controlling the. Trust me, Davon. I promised I draw off them cards, but she's pushing me over the limits. I'm not violent, but she's pushing me. Okay? And the time in which we get with it.
Sorry, mukadzi ngoni.
Nsaro mukadzi. Umbone zari kuita umboko. She's being boastful, man.
Magara kamune zvamina zvonese.
Davon. Munhu aende uzodzoka achifunga kuti as if nothing happened. Udzoka achifunga kuti achiri mai vepamba bye. Yeah, man.
Well, kamwasuwa kudetsana kwamaita kwekwe. But you wasuwa kuti kudetsana kwamaita kwekwe.
Listen here. There's nothing I miss about that woman. You can walk with zvake ngawe yagare kunoko. Oh, wazonda.
Makanyengana ndandisipo.
Yo, utombomudeo. I don't even wish my enemies to have a wife like that. This is pissing me off. Hapana sisi alikuwa. Hakuta zvaanoda na Linda. Sure she's threatening Linda much.
Onya efficient. I have to give it to her. Come on, fish. What did I say about it? I don't know. See, I didn't
You only fish dzavo dzomufamba nemakumbo tu.
Ndoda kupaka fish dzokona nadzo kumba ndine fish mfridge. Jesus.
Hembe zangu ndakasiya pano kuzuru.
Ndakadzipisa.
Wabatanya you don't right to.
Oh, dances now money plus they put the space in Bamang, so I had to bend them.
Wabatanya, you serious?
Yep.
Damn you, Wabatanya.
Oh. Damn you too. You know what? This corner is Shanda. Okay. And like I said before, I have moved on with my life. You should do the same. I might do things that might hurt you. And I will not be sorry for it. In fact, I wished you were dead. So that piece of so it's not going to work.
I mean, it's not going to happen.
Oh, are you sure? Uneidi. Itaidi katono dani buy one diani mai.
Bring it on.
Oh. Okay, no problem. No problem at all. Oh.
That's in a bus. I said, I want to the stem of the water in there.
No, my darling. Don't worry about me. What about yourself?
No. You don't need to worry about me.
Nah.
I'm
I'm not.
I'm a big person. Todako iwewe unotopinzwa magumbezi ukangofemunwa utopinda magumbezi wautoonda masabhuka ese atata mhotara yambasara achibuda onditi hanzi I need to worry about myself. Jasaontarisa. It's like ndotondishungurudza babatanya. Saka this game nokuti I'm 2 times good as you think you are.
Oh, are you sure?
What men can do girls do better.
Okay. Okay, no problem.
Anomba inembe dzakawanda, so just you should just so you know. Sange tichipfekedzana.
Oh, pekedzana numbers.
Newe, let the game begin. Handi ndewashida.
Sawa roteta jongwe mabana.
Shape in or ship out.
Okay.
Pauchadzipfekadzana nemandeveli ndokochaona kuti iwe.
I'm sorry, okay? This is a hectic bomb. I'm really sorry. That's not going to study so kind of expect to sing and then pop out. Please, I'm sorry.
Kala you saying it what but akona say magatse uzopinda mbamako.
Linda, this woman has been there almost half her life. Why don't you say ukana chikwanza upinda mbamacho? Ndatongosvika aripo ipapa. I was surprised. That's the way like you are.
Just because you danana, don't say pabari.
How many times do I have to tell you? Nine zvangu inina Vanessa zvakapfuura kudhara. Tidanane izvo.
No danana ngoni. No danana mnozivana. And all this while you'll be saying I love you, I love you, I love you. Chinyeba.
Linda.
Chinyeba zvakwa.
Linda, how many times do I have to tell you kuti ndiwe?
Samba tsingoni tikatobata nodhara zvakatokwanga.
Iwe, remember chikutaura every time kuti I'm not in love with her. You're making me mad. Okay? Linda, please try to understand. Please try to understand. Okay? Please, ndwisisa. Hapana zvikumboitika nemukadzi. Kuda undisiya ndindega. Hausikona here zvakuti yakuita kuti ione netipesana. That's who she is. She's violent. Zvese zvaanotaura angada kuti ione netiparadzana.
Don't do raisa.
Wow, she's trying to get in your head. Can't you see that?
Don't do raisa ngoni. Ndisamapanga nemukadzi. Aunonzwa zvaitaura muse hey uzodai so don't have fish. Don't nditsondwe sondo just because of you man.
Hapana zvinomboitika. She's just trying to get in your head.
Andichada.
Asikuzonera, she's manipulating you. Ndozvaari. Linda, come back. Okay, come back, please. Tell it all right, for 5 minutes. I'm really sorry, for 5 minutes. Don't go explain. Please. Try to understand. Hapana zvinomboitika naFanessa. Ndozvaari. If you let her get into your head, what we have between us. Kusvika pakuparara because of her. Yeah. I'm sorry, okay? I even got you this necklace because I'm sorry. I just want to show you that I'm sorry.
You want to bribe me? Don't think it is so cheap like this. Go on. I'm not that cheap. And this is not cheap. Don't think my necklace. Don't bribe by here, whatever. And
that's why you are worth having.
Go on, make me understand. Go on. What's really happening? You know I love you, right? But go on, make me understand. Go on, what's really happening?
This will piece up a body, Linda. But all I'm asking is for you to play along.
Go on. Promise can demon food.
I can promise you that.
Wow.
But I'll promise you in the about yourself.
Wow.
I'll always choose you.
Really?
Yep.
ukajazwa kuti mwana mbuya venyu vakakutinza vakakusema atikunyaradza unoda kukwatura iwe nawo kuti ndakakwatura unga azinga ndachikure
Uzibate.
iwe
Abayiwa ngaita sei. It doesn't matter kana uri wabayiwa buda. Vapamba panapa zvanetsa. Sira kumukadzi wangu. Papa. Azvitike panapa. Iwe. Vanessa, kana zvanetsa enda kumba kwenyu.
Handienda kumba kwedu.
Auenda kumba kwenyu? Handiri wabayiwa.
Suka. Wangu amboendepi suka.